Jai Hind everybody. So today I am taking the problems from exercise 7.2 and this is question number 6. कि if 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. कुछ कोऑर्डिनेट्स गिवन है आपको 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 एंड 3, 5. ये किसी पैरेललोग्राम के वर्टेक्स हैं जिनको कि ऑर्डर में लिया गया है. ठीक है, तो यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड y. दिस इज द पैरेललोग्राम. This is point A, this is B, this is C and this is D. They are taken in order, then you will write in this way. First you will write A, then 4, y, again x, 6 and the last one is 3, 5. These are the vertices of a parallelogram and you have to find the value of x and y. Since diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, therefore this diagonal AC and this diagonal BD, let they intersect at point O. So therefore O will be the midpoint of AC and BD both. Is it okay? Now, using the diagonal AC, since O is midpoint of AC, therefore coordinate of O with the help of midpoint we will solve them. So what is the coordinate of midpoint? x1 plus x2 upon 2. So that is 1 x, this is x2, 1 plus x upon 2, comma y1 plus y1, y2, 2 plus 6 upon 2. So what is the coordinate of this one? Just write in order. This will x plus 1 upon 2 and this is 2 plus 6, 8 upon 2. Or you can write here 4. This is equation 1. Again, O is also the midpoint of BD and O is also the midpoint of which one? BD. Therefore, coordinates of O, they will be again x1 plus x2 upon 2. So this is x, 3 plus 4 upon 2 and y1 plus y1 upon 2, 5 plus y upon 2. This can be written how much? 4 plus 3, 7 upon 2, comma 5 plus y can be written as y plus 5 upon 2, and this is equation second. Okay, both are the midpoints of O. This one, equation 1 as well as equation 2, दोनों क्या हैं? O के मिड पॉइंट हैं. Then what will happen? This abscissa will be equal to this abscissa and this ordinate will be equal to this abscissa. So from equation 1 and 2, abscissa will be equal to abscissa. So that is x plus 1 upon 2 will be equal to how much? 7 upon 2. When you will solve this 2 will be cancelled. So x plus 1 will be 7. Therefore x will be 6. X will be 6. And now ordinate will be equal to ordinate. And this ordinate will be equal to y plus 5 upon 2. Now this 2 will multiply here. 4 into 2 is equal to y plus 5. 4 into 2 is how much? 8 is equal to y plus 5. From here we can get y is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. So what is the value of x and y? X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. Is it okay? Now this is question number 7. Find the coordinate of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle. This is point A and this is point B. AB is diameter of circle. Let O is the center. O is the center of circle, and therefore O is also the midpoint of AB. Is it okay? And you are given whose center is 2, minus 3. What is the coordinate of center? 2, minus 3. Okay. And B is 1, 4. 1, what is the coordinates of B? 1, 4. So you have to find the coordinate of A. You have to find the coordinate of A. Let the coordinate of A x, y. Let the coordinates of point A is x, y. See, now O is midpoint of AB. Then using midpoint formula. Using midpoint formula. So what will happen? What will be the abscissa of point O? Coordinates of point O. There will be x1 plus x2 upon 2. x1 is x plus 1 upon 2, and y1 plus y1 upon 2, that is y plus 4 upon 2. Is it there? What will the coordinates of point O? x plus 1 upon 2 and y plus 4 upon 2. तो इसको हम निकाल लेंगे with the help of midpoint formula. Now the coordinates of point O are given. How much? This is given 2, 2 comma minus 3 it is given. Then what will happen? Same in the previous question. The abscissa will be equal to abscissa and the ordinate will be equal to abscissa. So therefore, x plus 1 upon 2 will be equal to 2 and y plus 4 upon 2 is equal to minus 3. Now calculate the value of x and y. X plus 1 is equal to 2 to the 4. So x is equal to how much? 4 minus 1, that is 3. And here y plus 4 is equal to 2 into minus 3, minus 6. So y will be here minus 6 minus 4. That is y is equal to minus 4 and minus 6 is minus 10. So what will the coordinate of point A? Therefore, the coordinates of point A will be, that was x comma y. X was 3 and y was minus 10. Minus 10. Is it okay? So what are the coordinates of point A? 3 comma minus 10. Now just look here. Question number 8. Question number 8. If A and B are minus 2, comma minus 2 and 2 comma minus 4 respectively. This is A and this is B. What are the coordinates of point A? Minus 2 comma minus 2 and B is 2 comma minus 4. Is it there? And one more thing is given. Find the coordinate of point P such that AP is equal to 3 upon 7 AB. Let P is the point here. P is the point here and you have to find the coordinate of P. Let its coordinate are x comma y. And since it is given कि point P such that, कैसे है point P कि AP is given 3 upon 7 AB. AP is given 3 upon 7 AB. And can you tell me what is the value of this one BP? So first we will find out AB. AB upon AP. AB upon AP. What will be there? Can you tell me? AB upon AP. This 7 will come here. 7 upon 3. What is the value of AB upon AB? 7 upon 3. Now subtracting 1 from both the side. Subtracting 1 from both the side. So what will you get? AB upon AP minus 1 is equal to 7 upon 3 minus 1. 7 upon 3 minus 1. So this will become, take the LCM of left hand side, AB minus AP. AB minus AP upon AP. This will be equal to 7 minus 3 upon 3. Now tell me AB minus AP. AB minus AP is BP. So BP upon AP. This will be 7 minus 3, 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3. And then BP ratio AP. This will be 4 ratio 3. What is the value of BP ratio AP? 4 ratio 3. So where is BP? This is 4, which is M2, and this is 3, which is M1, which is M1. What is the ratio between BP ratio AP? 4 ratio 3. So this is M1 and this is M2. And we have taken the coordinate of P as x comma y. X comma y. Now coordinates of point P can be calculated with the help of section formula. So what will be there? Abscissa will be equal to M1 x2. M1 is 3, x2 is 2. M1 x2 plus M2 x1 and divided by M1 plus M2, that is 3 plus 4. Okay, and the ordinate y will be M1 y2, 3 into minus 4 plus 4 into M2 y1, y1 is minus 2 and divided by 3 plus 4. So now just look here, x will be 3 to the 6, 6 minus 8 upon 7, and y is equal to 3 4 the minus 12 and 4 2 the 8 upon 7. So from here you can say x will be 6 minus 8 is minus 2 upon 7 and y is equal to minus 20 and minus 8 is minus 12 or minus 8 minus 20 upon 7. So therefore coordinates of point P will be x comma y of the net. So this will be how much? Minus 2 comma 7 and minus 20 comma 7. Is it there? Minus 2 comma 7 or minus 20 upon 7. Now this is question number 10. Question number 10. Find the area of the rhombus if its vertices are 3 0, 4 comma 5, minus 1 comma 4 and minus 2 comma minus 1 taken in order. This is the rhombus. A, B, C, D, and these are taken in order. So vertices are 3 comma 0, 4 comma 5, minus 1 comma 4 and minus 2 comma minus 1. This is the given rhombus, and we have to find the area of this. So we know, since the area of rhombus is given by 1/2 into product of diagonal AC into BD. What is the formula of area of rhombus? 1/2 into product of diagonals. Product of diagonals. And here we have two diagonals, AC and BD. AC and BD. Now, using the distance formula, find the length of AC. Using the distance formula, find the length AC. Now, AC can be calculated. x1 minus x2 whole square. There is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. Its whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This is 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4 whole square and its square root. So this will become 3 minus 1 is 4 square plus 4 square. This is how much? 16 plus 16. Under root 16 plus 16, and this is under root 32. Okay. And diagonal BD can be calculated as x1 minus x2. Just look here. This is the diagonal BD. x1 minus x2. So you can take, this is x1, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus y2, 5 minus 1. And this is whole square. Square root of this 4 minus 2 is 6 square. 5 minus 1 is also 6 square. 6 square is 36 plus 36. This is square root of 72. So what is the length of diagonal AC? Under root 32, and the length of diagonal BD is under root 72. Now, therefore, area of rhombus, that will be given by half into product of diagonals. One diagonal is under root 32 and another is under root 72. Now, then calculate them. 1/2, this one, this 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and this 72 can be broken. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 3 ja 24, 3 ja 72. And this will become half. Then look at this, 1 2 3 4. This 2 into 2 can be taken outside. Under root 2 will be left here. And look here. Here these two, one pair, and this is the another. 2, 3 can be taken outside, and under root 2 will left inside this symbol. Third, 1/2. This 2 into 2, right here. 2 into 3, and at last under root 2 into under root 2. The value of under root 2 into under root 2 will be 2. So what will happen? 1 upon 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 and into 2. So now what will happen? This 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out. Simply we will left 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. Just multiply them. 2 to the 4, 3 to 12, 24 square unit. Square unit. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.